Hi everyone, welcome to the Dataholics YouTube channel. We are going to continue our DSA series, and in this video we are going to solve one LeetCode problem called middle of the linked list. So it's an easy problem statement. Number is 876. So basically they are saying that given the head of a singly linked list, we have to return the middle node of the linked list. Like for example, if there are two middle nodes, we have to return the second middle. Example, let's say in example 1 we have 5 nodes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we have to return 3, which is straight the middle, correct? Similarly, in example 2 we can see there are 6 nodes, so we cannot directly find the middle node. So in that case they are saying return the second middle. For example, in this case we have 3 and 4 both as middle, so we have to return the second middle, that is 4, right? So I hope you understood the problem statement. Just read it once, you will be able to understand it. So let us first solve this manually, understand the approach, intuition behind this problem, and then we will jump to Google Colab and execute the code for the same. So this question can be solved by using two approaches, right? I will give you both the approaches one by one. First, let's understand the brute force or maybe an easy approach. So what we can do is we can find the length of the linked list. Of the linked list. For example, in the first case it is 5, in the second case it is 6, right? And then we can iterate till half of the length. For example, 5/2, which it will give you 2. So if I start my current node from head, I hope we already know head. Head is the first node of the linked list. So I am starting the current from here. And if I iterate it 2 times, for example, for I in range 0 to length by 2, right? Cool. So first time it will be jumping to here, and second time it will be jumping to here. So finally current will hit me here. So how do we do that? We already know current is equal to current dot next. So this is how we can do that. We have to initialize current is equal to head, of course, and head is the first node, which is already given, correct? And then once we come out of the for loop, if we simply print current dot data, so current is currently pointing to the middle node, so we can print the data to get the middle data. I hope that is okay and easy to understand. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the comments. I will definitely resolve it. So this is the solution for the odd number of nodes. Let us try to see if this also works for even number of nodes. So let's say the length is 6. Length by 2 would be 3. So we will iterate 3 times. So see, current starts from head. This is the head node. 1 time, 2 time and 3 time, of course. So once we end the for loop, our current will be at the second middle node. So this solution also works for even number of elements. That is awesome. But the main thing is, how do we calculate the length of the linked list? This is the main question. Again, that is very easy, guys. Very easy. Let me give you the code for calculating the length. So let's say we start L is equal to 0. There is a variable to calculate the length. N is equal to 0. And then current is equal to head. You can take any other variable also. Current is equal to head. And what I will do is, while current is not none, while current is not equal to none, so it will iterate all the elements of the linked list. I will say is equal to L plus 1 and current is equal to current dot next. Instead of current, you can take any other pointer. It's just a variable. That is not a big deal. And once you come out of the for loop, you will see that you will be at the end of the linked list. Print n. How? Let me show you. So for example, let's say in this case, the even number of elements, L is equal to 0, current is equal to head, current is at 1. So we clearly see that current 1, it is not equal to none. So while current is not equal to none, it will be doing L plus 1 and current will move from here to 2. Now current is at 2, right? Again, while current is not equal to none, 2 is not equal to none, again it will do L plus 1, L is equal to L plus 1, and it will move from 2 to 3. Similarly, 3 is not equal to none, it will again move to the next node and L plus 1. 4 is not equal to none, L plus 1 and move to the next node. 5. Again 5 is not none, plus 1, L plus 1 and 5 to 6. Again 6 is also not none. So we will do L plus 1 and move to the next node. So there is no next node because 6 is the last node and the next node will be none. In this case, now current is at none. So this condition will become false. While current is not equal to none, this condition will become false. So since it becomes false, the loop will terminate and we come out of the for loop. If I print n, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 6. That's how we can calculate the length of the linked list. So basically this will be the whole solution. First part and the second part, right? Again, that is very easy. That is a brute force or easy approach. Let me give you the solution also. And that again a wonderful concept using fast and slow pointer. I'll just give you that solution as well. Right here, right? So let me try to see if I can help you to visualize it. Yeah, here it is. Actually, I created this notes through Claude AI tool, right? I really like it for study material. So kudos to that tool. I really liked it. So here is a concept in linked list, fast and slow pointer technique. So basically what it does is, what it says is, the idea is we start both the pointers at head. So we'll take 2 pointers. First is fast pointer and another is slow pointer. So we will start both the pointers at head. Slow will move 1 step at a time and fast will move 2 steps at a time. When the fast reaches the end, slow is at the middle. Of course, guys, let's see. So right, slow and fast are at 1. If you just visualize it, you will understand this. Right now, both the pointers, slow and fast, are at 1. The first node, the head node actually. Correct? If I take the first step, slow will move 1 step. So slow jumped from 1 to 2, but fast to 2 steps. Fast jumped from 1 to 3. Again, slow will move from 2 to 3, 1 step at a time, but fast moves 2 steps at a time. It jumped from 3 to 5. Again, next. Slow has moved from 3 to 4, 1 step, but fast has moved from 5 to 7. Now just see, if the fast is at the end, where is slow? Answer me in the comments. You can clearly see when the fast reaches the end, slow is at the middle. There were 7 nodes, 4 was the middle node. You see? So fast reached the end and slow is at node 4. That is the middle. So this is exactly what we are going to implement, right? I just give you another example right here. So let's say we slow and fast both here, right, at current. So let's take even number of examples, right? We have already seen about odd example. So let's say fast and slow. So fast will move 2 times at the first step. So fast is not equal to none. So fast will come here and slow will come here. So right. In the next system, fast will move 2 times. So 1, 2. So fast will come to 5 and slow will come to 3. Another, in the next time, fast will jump from 6 to none. After this, there is no node. So that is, maybe you can consider none. So fast here and slow will move 1 time. That is 4. So now there are 2 cases. In the previous case, in the odd number of elements, fast dot next should not be none. It should keep iterating till then. And in the even case, fast should not be equal to none. When it's like now fast has become none, so we will terminate the loop. We will only iterate till fast or fast dot next becomes none. I hope that is understood, right? In this case, if you see, fast will jump from 1 to the 2. So first step, another 1 to 2. Now in this case, fast dot next is none. So we have to iterate, keep iterating till fast dot next does not become none. And in this case, fast itself became none. So either fast is not equal to none or fast dot next is not equal to none. So keep iterating till then. Correct? And how do we keep iterating till then? Let me give you the loop. I'll just help you to write the code. So while fast dot next is not equal to none, what is fast? Fast is equal to slow is equal to current. Or maybe you can say head. Head is the first node. Correct? Keep iterating. So keep iterating, that is slow is equal to slow dot next, because slow has to move 1 step at a time. But fast has to move 2 steps at a time. Fast is equal to fast dot next. I hope that is understood, right? And once we come out of the loop, slow will be at the middle node. So slow dot data will give us the middle node data. In both the cases, when the linked list has even number of elements or odd number of elements, right? So let me jump to Google Colab and help you to understand the code right now. So first we are creating the node class. Each node has 2 things, data, and the next we are connecting 6 nodes right here, connecting all of these nodes together to create a linked list. This much is easy. Now let us try to see the first approach. I will take head is equal to A, the first node, current is equal to head, so current pointer, and length is equal to 0. So first I will calculate the length here. We have already discussed in the code. While current is not equal to none, I'm just printing the data for better understanding right now. So this is the linked list printed. Current is equal to current dot next and length is equal to length plus 1. So once this while loop terminates, we will have the length of the linked list in len variable. So you see linked list has 6 elements. We have printed it also, correct? And now another loop for printing the middle element. So current is equal to head again because current has reached the end. So I'll just reinitiate it. For I in range length by 2. So we have calculated the length and we will go till half. Current is equal to current dot next. And once we come out of the for loop, current dot data will give us the middle node. That is already discussed. So this is the code. I hope that is easy now. Right? Now another solution is about using the fast and slow pointer. It is again very easy. So head is equal to A, the first node. Slow and fast both are initialized with head. Slow and fast both are at the first node. While fast is not equal to none and fast dot next is not equal to none, I will move slow with the 1 step at a time and fast 2 steps at a time. 2 steps means fast dot next. Right? Once we come out of the while loop, the slow pointer will have middle node. So middle element of the linked list is slow dot data, correct? So that is, I hope, understood. This is the exact solution. I hope you are able to understand it, right? So that's all for this video, guys. And this is the LeetCode question. Please try to solve it. Post your solution on social media linked list. Let the world know that you are learning DSA in Python the right way. Right? Solve these questions. You will definitely get a lot of confidence. If you have any confusion or any doubt or any question, please discuss with me in the comment section. And also, slow and fast pointer is not only used to find the middle node. It is also used to solve multiple other problems as well. Right? So we will do more problems related to this only, right? So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Right? So if you liked the video, if you are able to understand some concepts quick, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Dataaholics, and like this video. It really motivates us to keep creating content, keep researching and keep learning, right? So that's good. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.